Right, so in the last episode, I installed myself a new head unit and the installation went well, but afterwards I did notice that the dashboard panel did not clip in all the way anymore. And reason for that was that the actual trim piece that goes around the head unit is slightly too narrow for it to fit in correctly anymore. So as a temporary fix, I just ripped this off completely. But now I have a gaping hole in my dashboard. And I don't quite like that. So in today's video, we're gonna get help from my new friend, Mr. 3D Printer. And we're gonna be making a new trim piece for the head unit. Okay, so here's the plan. I'll have to take some measurements out of this original trim piece, and then I'll have to do some CAD modeling magic on the computer, and then hit print, and we should have a new perfectly fitting part, hopefully. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I think I have about everything I need in the CAD at the moment. I have two versions here. Other one is like a one piece and includes all the details, and the other one is made out of two pieces because I want the other one to be able to I want to see which one is better. I want to print the other one facing down and the other one facing up. So I will get the other one will have the finish from the print bed, and the other one will have the, I'll try to use ironing on the 3D printer, and I want to see which one provides the best finish. Like, this is completely smooth, the original part, and I want to be roughly the same as this. That's the goal. So I'll print both versions and let's see which one turns out better. Right, so here I have the models in the Bamboo Lab slicer software, and I think I will start from printing the one that has the combined frame and the backing, because if this turns out nice, I don't have to print the other one separately anymore. So we'll start from this one, and let's go over the settings real quick. Like, I have the base profile is set to extra draft, which only means the layer height is really high, which I don't really need it to be super precise, because it will be hidden anyway, all the way up until here. So I made this adaptive layer height, so once it gets to this taper or draft, whatever you want to call this, then it starts to do smaller layers and will hopefully result in better quality. And then also I have the ironing enabled for the topmost layer, which hopefully will turn out nice. Like, when it's nice, it's super nice, but I've had varying levels of success with ironing, so let's hope for the best. And then my infill is it 20? Yeah, 20%. You don't really need this high of an infill, but it will make the part slightly heavier and makes it feel more robust. It doesn't really add strength, but thankfully this part doesn't need a lot of strength because it's just a trim beauty panel, so it should be fine. Now all I need to do is just switch the filament to the ABS and hit print. Now, where is my ABS? This is PTG, that's not ABS. How about this one? Ah, yes.
Alright, let's see how's the fit and finish. Initial thoughts, the ironing seemed to work flawlessly this time. Like, I don't think I need to print the other variation with the split parts. I think this is fine. Now let's see how does it fit into the dashboard panel. There. Ooh, nice. Like a glove. Yeah, that is damn perfect fitment. And just a quick comparison, here's the original frame and here is the new 3D printed one. And the surface finish on this part, I'd say it's super similar, like you will not notice a difference. And I also get rid of this imperfection here, because this is just fresh and new and perfect. Nice. Now all we need to do is check the actual fitment to the head unit, and then if that fits, then we can glue this on and put this back on, and we're done. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if it actually fits the head unit. Oh, quite tight, I might say. But hey, yay! Awesome, it fits. Alright, so now we can glue it into the actual panel piece and put everything together. Right, so I have the super glue here and I have some piece of paper here so I won't throw the glue everywhere on the inside of the car. Alright, let's see the final fit. Alright, this time the dashboard panel fits perfectly and there's no extra gaps, and this is looking sharp, in my opinion. Nice. What do you think? Was this a success or not? Let me know down in the comments. And that's it, guys. Here are the final results of the 3D printed piece. While you're watching the beauty shots, remember to hit the like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.